everybody, my name is Caroline Lee. I'm a doTERRA wellness advocate, and today I'm going to actually show you a little tip of how I refresh my masks. So my kids just went back to school, they're wearing these again, and sometimes they can get kind of stingy and gross, or sometimes it just gets really stuffy. And so just to freshen up the mask, make it a little bit easier for you to wear, I'm going to show you my little spray that I have for my kiddos. All right, so you're going to take 4 doTERRA essential oils. We've got peppermint, we have tea tree, we have lemon, and we have our good protective blend OnGuard. Now, because I have a really small sprayer, I'm only going to put 1 drop of each. If you have a bigger bottle, like a 4-ounce bottle, I would probably do 3 to 4 drops of each of the oil in the container. And again, you're just going to put 1 drop of each inside your container. And then once you have the oils all in there, you're just going to top it off with some distilled water. That way it will be able to mix really well and be nice and sterile in that. And now here is my spray. So before my kids use it, they're going to shake it up really, really good. And then they're just going to spray their mask. Just like that. And then let it dry. It's going to just take a few seconds, and then they can go ahead and wear that mask. So this is what I use to help freshen up our masks.